guys, I am Wasdilika. I come from Maluku. I am a student at Patimura University Pesnikau Ambodi. Now I am going to tell you a story from Maluku Barat Daya with the title The Legend of Moa Buffalo. Once upon a time, in a village of Moa Island, namely Negeri Popo, there was a family who lived in an old house which known by the native as Rumah Tua Watu Wawan. Among them, there was a hardworking man, guys, namely Tete Deli. Tete Deli was a brave, responsible, and diligent person. Every day, Tete Deli went to garden and hunting to fulfill the needs family. One day, he went to his garden and hunt into a part of the forest which was called Mur Otani. When the sun goes down, he prepared to back to Negeri Popo. He began his journey by feet, where it took 6 kilometers to arrive there. When he was walking, the only sounds that filled the air was the chirping of crickets. Suddenly, a dwarf appeared in the behind of him. At the same time, Tete Deli was shocked and almost struck the dwarf by his sword. However, the dwarf said to Tete Deli, "Stop it! Stop! Please don't kill me. We can be friends." And then Tete Deli saw a golden cup on the dwarf's head, and without thinking, he took the cup. The dwarf then said, "Please don't take it away, because that's my precious thing. I will give you anything if you come back my cup. It's up to you. Which one do you want? The land of the wealth or the wealth of the sea?" But the Deli said, "I want the land." And then the Deli gave it back to the dwarf. The dwarf was thankful for Tete Deli, and he said, "After 3 days and 3 nights, we must meet at Ger Memetma." Ger means water and Memetma means black. Ger Memetma, it was the only water supply for the land. Tete Deli agreed to the dwarf's request. After that, he went back to his home at Negeri Popo. Tete Deli chose not to share what happened between him and the dwarf to his family. After 3 days and 3 nights, Tete Deli went to Ger Memetma. When he arrived there, the dwarf was already waiting for Tete Deli. And he said to him, "You must watch closely. I enter his water. When an animal come out, you must wait until all types of animals before you cross the water." After that, the dwarf plunged into the water. And suddenly, lightning struck in the air. The fierce animal come out from the water was buffaloes. There are many of them. The Delhi was panicked and he across the water. Suddenly, the dwarf went out from the water and he said, "Why do you across the water when only one type of animal had appeared?" The Delhi replied, "There are so many buffalo that have come out, not just for the land, but the whole island full of them." However, the dwarf said, "It's okay. One day, if you hold a celebration and slaughter 20 buffaloes, the next day 20 buffaloes will more appeal of the place of them." After that, the Delhi returned to Negri Popo and tended for the buffalo. Until now, in Moa Island, buffalo still exists because the incident. That's all of the story. For all of you, the lesson that we can take from this story: be brave, responsible, and keep your words to other people. Thank you.